can you check this out? Such an awesome tool to talk about colors.
Let me see. Wow, that's amazing. But I don't think color lenses are limited just to teaching about colors. There is more to it.
Is it? What else can we do with this, Mama?
You can learn about colors in a lot of different ways. Say for example, look at this. You can learn about colors by seeing this rainbow. But this color lens will help you and your little friend to do self-directed learning.
Self-directed learning? That's a big word for me to understand.
Self-directed learning means Mama or Dada doesn't have to be behind you to teach you anything. Kids will walk around, explore the world and colors around them. You can see that kids will learn everything by themselves even without our encouragement. And this may go on for days or weeks. And that is called self-directed learning. And Boxy, it is an important life skill for future readiness.
Oh, it's going to be great fun to explore this with my buddy. Bye!